What up, y'all, and thanks for joining in for another episode of VlogMas. If you have missed the previous 2 videos of how we decorated this tree, you always have time to go back and catch up. Today we're going to be getting into some arts and crafts with the kids, making porridge, and finishing up on this outdoor decor. All right, we're gonna run. It is cold out here, Zena. What you mean not right here? Oh, because it's the sun right here?
Yeah. The sun can warm everybody up. What's our bird?
Oh my God, it's cold. Oh, look at the birds.
Mom, maybe that's an eagle.
Maybe. Look, Mary, look. They're on the rooftop. Come. Do you see them? What are we making, Mommy? We are making what? Oatmeal and plantain porridge.
Plantain, but I am not sure if this works, so I don't want to go pour my stuff in there. It doesn't work.
First you do what? See how Jamaicans give directions? She said
water,
first.
a little bit of water.
A little bit of water. How much is a little bit of water? Half a cup, Mommy.
Like
whole
a cup of water boiling with salt.
How much oatmeal?
Just judge yourself, and you want to use 1 cup. I don't know. I first time here.
That look like almost half.
Milk. The milk, please.
Which milk?
When you
What's your weakness, man?
Up in yourself. Come on.
Grandma, oh, you broke it. It's done now. Now, how much water you just put in there?
Just a little bit of water.
What's that thing up top? All right, so little bit of water, plantain, oatmeal, little bit of salt. Good luck finding out what that was.
You should not take care. Blend time. Where's the cover? Just so you see here. It's blending, you just ain't see, but you have to blend it fast. Mercy, girl, they make me plantain and oatmeal porridge. You come out good, yes.
Mommy, I don't think she heard you. This one over here excited about her plantain porridge she making.
Pinky, Angela, you tell him so when you make porridge, you can't let and go because it's either gonna lump or it's either gonna burn.
Yeah, it's gonna lump.
Lump or burn? Tasty.
Look, it's hot.
Put your finger there and taste it. That's it. Tell me if it tastes like you cook creamy or what.
It's real creamy.
It's done.
Oh, now I taste the plantain.
Okay.
At first I'm just like, I just taste cream. And then I'm like,
You know you think it is. Go get your first
She thinks she a professional plantain.
I'm not professional. It's
porridge
my
maker
first
now.
time doing it.
Look at you. I'm proud of you, Mommy.
Yeah.
Look at you.
First time.
Look at you making your little plantain porridge.
Yeah, for plantain and oatmeal porridge.
Oh, excuse me.
Yes. And look, you remember how oatmeal was coarse? Look, you see any coarse oatmeal in there anymore? Okay. So come get your bowl. Because we're about to turn down. And now we up to now. So see now we done and then I get too thicky. So now we're gonna go back to lumpy. So we done.
Okay, Mommy. Okay.
Well, we're gonna get we start to pop the arm.
There they go with their pretty tree.
You get it over there so we get it over here, sir.
Mommy,
Mommy got some on your
it's
face.
the same one.
So then we gonna do your tree just keeps falling apart.
It's the same one, Grandma.
Ooh.
This one cool.
Don't turn it
Devour.
on, you know. I'm putting up my stuff on here. What's wrong with you? Gonna do what party food if nigga nails like that so weird.
It ain't
No, make
strong
it
enough
down.
for that, Mommy. You need a nail.
Okay, look for this stuff for baby no step on. You drop over there, so. So why not? Let me go get it.
Why you was going with this thumbtack anyway? She's so ghetto. With this thing is heavy. You didn't have this last year. You need a nail. Alright. So you say. Alright, now let's just go ahead and use the proper tools to hang up these candy canes. While up there, I went ahead and took down her sign and then added some new decor to it just to kind of pull everything together. Now for the inflatables that this woman just could not wait to put up, but I went ahead and helped her with those as well too. They're not that hard to put together. It just takes a little bit of time to just kind of wind things up and place them in the proper position. Okay. Wait. What's Christmas without having a little fun with the kids? Whether you're making cookies, doing gingerbread houses. All I did here was just picked up some items from the Dollar Tree and just had them put little stickers on these little stockings so that they can hang on the tree. And I also picked up some painting as well too, so they can make little ornaments as well for the tree. It was just nice to just see them get together and have a good time with each other, because Christmas is always that time where you can just be joyous with your family and friends. Everybody say Merry Christmas! Zena, to the table, woman, and go sit in your chair.
I'll come back tomorrow. Stop. We don't go.
Here.
I'll come back tomorrow.
This lady is real serious about getting this thing together at 30-40 degrees at night. Well, what if somebody would come and kidnap you, eh?
Where's stuff there?
This is where I get my tormentness from. To be doing stuff.
Alright, there you go.
Okay, you see it there. Okay, I think we got light, y'all. Finally.
Alright, so call them now. No, you need to turn off the light. You need the light.
Child, please. Yeah. Okay, guys. All the lights are on. Who's ready to see them? Go ahead, go see. Go see. Go see the lights with Grandma. Go. Hurry up. Woo. Come on, Mir. Ooh, look at all the lights. Right? You got lights all over you right now, Mir. Huh? I have to get my other camera. Whoa, nice. Ooh, there goes our little other bush.
I like it.
Yeah?
Oh, I like the tree. I like that.
You like that one too?
Hmm?
Wow. You like that one too, Zena?
Yeah,
Look at the bush.
yeah.
You like the bush?
Yeah.
You gonna stand by the bush? Go stand by the bush. He's like, nope. Take a picture by the bush, then I'll say cheese. Say cheese, Mir. No, you're not going that way. Look at the palm tree, Mir.
Palm tree.
Pretty cool, right?
What's a palm tree?
Woo. always, thanks for watching our video, and here are some clips to look forward to for the next episode.